In this video you will learn what are the roles and responsibilities of a team, what are the benefits of functional roles and responsibilities, what is the most effective method for developing roles and responsibilities. Words of wisdom: project managers function as band leaders who pull together their players, each a specialist with individual score and internal rhythm. Under the leader's direction, they all respond to the same beat. You must comprehend how an effective project team functions in project management, what project teams accomplish, and who is engaged before we start getting into how to improve team performance. A project team is made up of several people with various degrees of power. The corporate culture and methods in use both affect how they do business. An efficient project team should include the following key roles: team members, project manager, team leader, project committee, sponsor of the project, project stakeholder. Project team's routine duties include things like cooperating with the project management throughout the course of the project, finishing the project deliverables allocated to you and fulfilling all the criteria, document the work, contributing to the general performance of the team, presenting potential solutions to management in the event of a roadblock, making sure the project manager is up to date on the status of the project. Roles and responsibilities of a team. Teams with well-defined duties and responsibilities are more efficient because they know what is expected of them. Knowing how to assign the appropriate responsibilities to your team is important to its success. Let us discuss roles and responsibilities and look at how to use each employee's skills to help your team reach its goal as a whole. What do the terms roles and duties mean? A person's position in a team is referred to as their role. Their obligations are the tasks and duties of their unique function or job description. Employees are held responsible at work for fulfilling a number of duties. Employees may fulfill the objectives of their teams and succeed in their responsibilities at the firm if their supervisor properly specifies the duties. The supervisor or team leader must first grasp that individuals function in the organization in order to properly delegate. Understanding the benefits of adopting functional roles and tasks is also advantageous. The benefits of functional roles and responsibilities. In addition to enhancing team efficiency, creating functional roles and duties has various additional advantages that may help your firm as a whole. If they haven't previously, understanding these benefits will drive team leaders to implement them. Some of the benefits of establishing functional roles and duties are as follows. Productivity has risen. When teams know what is expected from them, they know where to concentrate their efforts. Having a clear understanding of their roles can boost your team's overall productivity. This enhanced productivity will ultimately lead to greater momentum and success for your team. Team accomplishment. You may help your team thrive by allocating responsibilities properly and keeping a regular schedule. When employees have clear assignments and deadlines, they have everything that they need to do their jobs well. Increased morale and momentum. When an employee's tasks are clearly defined and they are effective in their function, the whole team benefits. Team success is a great way to build momentum for future initiatives, which leads to higher productivity. As a consequence of their achievement, the team's confidence will develop. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. On my website, projectmanageric.com, you can get the free slide deck templates for your project management needs, as well as training based on my 544-page book Project Management for Managers. Please see the details below in the comments. What is the most effective method for developing roles and responsibilities? Understanding your team's goals and objectives is a great way to identify functional roles and responsibilities. When employees understand what they should be working on, they are more productive and can generate higher quality material. Here's how to organize the functional roles and tasks in your team. Identify which tasks must be accomplished. Make a list of all the tasks that must be completed. This will assist you in determining how many jobs to assign. Take note of what your team is currently working on, as well as prior projects. Have past ventures been a success? What, if anything, might have been done better? Is there anything that should have been done but hasn't? Recognize them and assign them to your team as appropriate. Assess your own strengths and weaknesses. Recognizing your team's strengths and limitations is a great approach to distributing assignments based on their job descriptions. Once you've identified an employee's areas of strength, offer them projects that play to those talents. Consider outsourcing that duty to another team member who can do it more effectively if they show a weakness in one area. This will help your staff operate more effectively and confidently, since they will know they can achieve the job at hand. Keep in mind, however, that workers should constantly be learning and growing their skill set on the job. Examine the job description of a team member. When defining duties, consider each team member's job description. Employees should be allocated responsibilities that are directly relevant to why they were employed. employed in the first place. Consider their interpersonal skills, hobbies, and prior triumphs as well. You can do a good job of assigning tasks to your team if you think about both their job descriptions and their personalities. Gather feedback. By asking for input, you may obtain a better grasp of how to construct functional team roles and tasks. You display your appreciation for your team's involvement and insight by asking for comments from them. This will encourage a constructive discussion about their expectations inside the organization. Maintaining an open channel of communication with your staff is crucial. Team members' roles and responsibilities. Based on their skill set and expertise, each team member has a unique job to fulfill. Some may be optimists, promoting fresh ideas and positivism, while others may be more realistic, promoting quantifiable objectives and structure. The argument is that in team cooperation, all positions are crucial. The following are the general functions and responsibilities of a team member. Actively participate, listen carefully, take thorough notes, complete all tasks and assignments. Team leaders' roles and responsibilities. A major job of a team leader is to give guidance and assistance to the team. They are also in charge of delegating tasks. To successfully manage a team leader must describe not just the team's core aim, but also the duties that each member is accountable for. You should, as a competent team leader, make materials for your squad, maintain a team calendar or schedule. Meetings must be planned and conducted, encourage debate, engage with team members, assign duties and roles, create and send correspondence. Team members must be supervised. Members of the team that helped, click on the video card on the right to understand how to effectively manage project teams. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. On my website, projectmanagerik.com, you can get the free templates for your project management needs, as well as training based on my 544-page book Project Management for Managers. Program and project portfolio management in banking translated into 12 languages and counting. Please see the details below in the description and where to buy my book and what is the best program and project management software, PPM.